Hello everyone, I'm Dishika and I'm in 7th grade. It's been 3 months since I joined this institute and till now my experience has been really very nice. All the faculties and the teachers here are very cooperative and helpful. 3 months back I was searching for an institute who could guide me properly in the fields of art, so I googled it and I found Delhi Fine Art Institute in some of the top institutes and I joined it, and my experience has been really very nice. The faculties and the teachers here are helpful, and I have worked with 3 mediums till now: sketching pencils, color pencils and pens. The Joker sketch I made was amazing, like everyone appreciated it, and I didn't expect the results I got from it, and it couldn't have been possible without the help of the teachers over here. And I highly recommend you to join this institute, and I'm really very impressed with the results too. Thank you very much.